Yeah, we'll have to, we'll take it across. It's already across the road.
Oh, we crossed it already?
Yeah. So we fucking should have thrown the augers out. Then just set the pipe.
So
But he was digging over there and he fucking found it.
Really?
Yes.
So we're gonna push this one and that's it?
No, then you got the pipe goes from that stick, from that, there's a line on the highway.
Yeah.
It goes back 46 feet that way. So we have one more pipe. So we're gonna try to push this as much as we can. You can go over there, cut off the head,